Eating healthily is important for everyone, especially when you have diabetes. It doesn't just help maintaining a healthy weight, but would also keep blood sugar levels stable and prevent related health complications like high blood pressure and heart diseases. If you don't know where to start, here's your answer. Just follow these simple steps. Number one is you gotta focus on 5 food groups. While getting enough of the right types of food is nothing less than important, there's no perfect food that does it all. Therefore, the key is incorporating healthy food groups reasonably into your diabetes diet. Focus on eating plenty of veggies, fruits, whole grain foods, low fat or fat-free dairy products, lean protein sources such as fish or chicken. Although you can indulge yourself sometimes, these 5 food groups are the building blocks of a healthy diabetes diet. Number two is you have to build your plate. Having just the right kinds of food on your plate would only be efficient if they're in the right portion sizes. Divide your plate in half and fill with starchy veggies and fruits. On the other half, divide that in half and fill one section with good starch such as whole grain roll, brown rice, or pasta, and the other half with lean protein such as fish, eggs, or a meat substitute. Number three is that you have to count your carbs. Carbohydrates raises your blood sugar quicker than protein and fat. They're broken down into glucose and to be used as energy, so the body needs carbohydrates throughout the day. However, eating too much carbs at one time could spike the body's blood sugar, so you want to spread your carb intake evenly throughout the day. You should choose healthy options like whole grains, fruits, or yogurt. One more thing that you need to know is to learn the good points about fruit. We don't have to know every food, but switch up the plate every once in a while is a good thing. For example, foods high in saturated fats such as fatty meat and butter can raise the risk of heart diseases, while foods with fatty acids like omega-3, whole water fish, nuts, and healthy oils can help lower the risk of heart diseases. The last thing is you gotta make healthy food swaps. Try healthy substitutes for your meals and change the way you prepare them. It can mean a lot in diabetes management. Try to implement some of these changes for a healthier diet overall. Drink water, tea, or coffee instead of sweetened drinks, and eat more fiber. Better yet, replace full-fat varieties by low-fat or fat-free dairy products, and try frozen yogurt instead of ice cream, but do pay attention to portion sizes. Lastly, use non-sticky cooking sprays or small amounts of healthy oils instead of butter when cooking. Let's try some tips and see how it works. If you know any other eating tips for diabetes, let us know in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you. See ya!